On landing, traffic, GoPro shop on the roll, left hand turn out, 08, Holland landing. Power is good, airspeed is alive, looking for 55, rotate. 50, 55.
Holland traffic, Sports Star, Charlie Golf, India Julius here, backtrack 08.
400 feet AGL, flaps up. And Holland landing traffic, Golf Fox Alpha, presently climbed through 1,500 feet. We'll be heading northbound over Cooks Bay, switching 122.9. Have a great flight, Dave.
Good day.
Traffic in the Cooks Bay, Holland landing area. Golf Fox Alpha is a 172, just departed 08 Holland landing. Presently turning northbound on the east side of the airport, climbing through 1,700 feet for 2,000. That's Holland landing traffic, Golf Fox Alpha. I think I remember what most of these things do. Just nice to get a view right now, it's so beautiful.
It is.
A little hazy, but the Sports Star will go flipping across that way just now. That thing is fast.
Yep.
But they're beautifully forgiving airplanes, the 172. They're very, very polite. If you bank it, she'll level again. If it's trimmed correctly, it'll level out, right? Alright, let's climb before we head over the water. Trim it for... So my best rate of climb is at 78 knots. Knots are on the inner scale here. Now I should put a little bit of right rudder to counteract the P effect of the engine, because if I don't, under full power, right, so a little bit of right rudder to get the ball centered. And I'm not an instructor. It's an aviation nut.
Pretty rough shape.
What's that?
Cook Bay seems to be in pretty rough shape this year.
In terms of what? The water?
Yeah, the water.
Yeah.
Is the water levels up?
Yeah, very high.
This year?
Yeah, very, very high. Misty stuff, in which case I'll come down again when we're over the land.
Traffic Romeo Zulu Delta, just about 2 miles north of Port Bailey at 3,000, heading to Ottawa. This is my last call.
Hopefully not your last call. But I know what it means before switching frequency to the tower, right? Okay. Start leveling this aeroplane out. I see eggs and bacon in our future.
That'd be awesome. I was hoping I wouldn't hit traffic so I could stop on the way. It's important, but traffic on Highway 9 was already picking up even before 7 a.m.
Okay, how about you take control? So, your airplane, just head up that way. How's the trim? You're descending a little bit. So, let go for a sec. So let me just see how the trim is set. It's descending slightly. You're looking at the bit. Okay, that's pretty trim, but okay. So get the wings nice and level. Just that wing up a little bit. You've got to put a little bit of right hand into it. That's it. I'll get the obligatory selfie of Alex and Chris flying. Alex is flying. You can do some turns and things if you like.
Turn into the left.
Okay.
Idling. And to the right.
Okay, you need to look out your wing first. Make sure there's no one there. Now look at how fast you're descending, Alex. You're into a 500 foot a minute descent when you turn, because obviously you lose wing area. Okay, turn back that way. Now you're climbing at 700 feet a minute. That's better.
Well, it's been 3 years since I tried the control.
No, I'm good with that. Okay, let's go to Woodbury. Why not? Okay, so hang on a sec. What we do is we make sure there's no one there. We lift the wings so we can see, and then take the turn. Okay, your airplane. I'll watch. You're gonna have to pull back just a little bit. And the reason I'm at 4,500 is there's a Oddfellows fly east. In other words, when I'm going west, I'm at even numbers plus 500, and when I'm going the other way, I'm at odd numbers plus 500. And the instrument traffic is all at zeros.
2,500. Heading southwest towards city center airport.
Okay, aim towards Barry. Because we've got an airport over there, right? See it?
Yep.
Lake Sumter. Just straight up the middle of the water. Campbell Bay traffic, Go Foxtrot Alpha is a 172, presently 4,500 feet. Heading from the lake towards Barry, that's Go Foxtrot Alpha 4,500 over Campbell Bay. Okay, T's and P's are good, fuel is good. Let's bring the power back just a little, which may mean we got to trim it a bit. Ground speed's down a bit, which means a little bit of a west wind. There is Wasaga Beach over there, you see it?
Yep.
So we'll head up that way shortly. Like having an autopilot. The airport should be on our nose. Now I see it, I believe, but I want to see it properly first. There it is, in fact, way closer than I thought, so go that way. Unsound traffic, Golf Foxtrot Alpha is 5 to the east. We'll be crossing overhead the midfield at 2,500 and returning to the right downwind for 3-6 unsound. We'll go up this way. They hide these airports, right? So we're at 3,000. Okay, so aim for the center of the runway. Take us down to 2,500. That's it, not too much of a descent, that's good. We've just started slowing the descent, that's good. How's the trim?
Trim's good.
And then we're going to cross over the middle of the field at 25. Okay, so that's good. Start pulling back so you level out. How's the trim now? They go for a sec? That's pretty good. Yeah, so now we're going to, okay, you keep going. Want to cross over the middle of the field. There's an aircraft lining up, so we'll be aware of him.
At 90 degrees?
Yeah. Perpendicular is good. Hard, not hard left, but kind of just over there, and I can see the windsock if you keep going this way. This is perfect.
Overhead the field.
Okay, little low. That's it. Keep going, pull it back.
Stop and go.
The road traffic, front of Sunshine.
Unsound traffic, Golf Foxtrot Alpha is crossing over midfield, 2,400 feet. We'll descend on the right, descend on the dead side to return to a right-hand downwind for 3-6 unsound.
Okay, you have controls.
Okay. I'm not worried at all, I'm just kind of, you know, give you the discipline of it.
No, that's well outside of my comfort zone.
Okay, so we just keep looking for traffic. So this would be considered what they call the dead side of the airport. Other people call it, because it's a right-hand circuit, which is unusual, we just keep an eye out for airplanes. And then we'll go back over the field at 2,000 feet, join the... Okay, car heat is on, fuel is on both, mixture's rich.
Lima, 2 miles north of field.
Mag master primer.
For runway 31.
Unsound traffic, Golf Foxtrot Alpha will be crossing over the midfield at circuit altitude to join the right downwind for 3-6, Owen Sound. Now I've got GoPros on, so I've got to behave myself. Unsound traffic, Golf Fox Alpha, establish right downwind, full stop, number 1, unsound. Unsound traffic, Golf Fox Alpha, turning right base, 3-6, full stop, number 1, unsound.
Peterborough traffic, clear turning X-ray, turning left downwind.
Unsound, Golf Fox Alpha, turning final, 3-6, full stop, number 1, unsound.
Peterborough traffic, Foxtrot 2 Charlie Lima, turning final, runway 31, full stop, Peterborough.
Okay, if I say so, you don't get much smoother than that.
I agree completely.
The weather's perfect, let's be honest. Unsound traffic, Golf Fox Alpha, backtracking 3-6 for the ramp, unsound.